Romulus and Remus Hill lived at the top of Washita Bend. Mama died, they laid her down and quickly took to squabbling over this one's mine. If you take that, then you'll never be my brother, or if you take mine. Then you'll never be my brother again. They'd get to thumping and the house would quake. They'd call the lightning down from God's front gate, and all the neighbors had to move along for fear they'd all get caught up Titan goddess. Good old boys in the oubliette of life, Southern County, oh the Titan goddess. Good old boys in the oubliette of life, Southern County, oh the Titan goddess. Good old boys in the oubliette of life, Southern County again. Romulus and Remus Hill fought all the way down the road through town. None could stop their evil brawl until they reached the county burial ground and the lightning spoke. Living gods just a silhouette, face upon the mountain and thunder roared. Michael's sword was just a hurricane being born in the valley, and the lightning spoke. Living gods just a silhouette, face upon the mountain and thunder roared. Michael's sword's just a hurricane being born in the valley again.